I don't know if you can hear that cracking, but I hope that's not my head gasket. I hear my fan going, but over in this area, I can hear snap, crackle, pop. And this was smoking back up under here, under my distributor, so I'm thinking I might have an issue, a big issue. Yeah, yeah.